I'm sort of stranded in the middle of nowhere. I gotta wait a whole day to fly out of here. I'm gonna try to make the most of this hotel room with this tiny drone. Oh no. There goes all my fun. Motor wires torn. I don't have a soldering iron to fix that. Parts. Only got this one left. It's a 2S 65mm. And it's got an analog split cam in there. That analog split cam sends the goggles analog footage, but it records HD 1080 on board. That's fine. There's the drone.
Ain't no stopping it, so we don't go there. No slowing down, right now. Cause the ways of the things that we do, ball hard to hold everyone who here accountable. Speaking of, stack it up till it's high as the stars in the skies. Always told us shine bright. You see, yeah. I've been starting with the one.
Well, I made it through.
Flipping at a high rate, moonwalking backtrack. Clear as black and white, sometimes we need a break. Human nature the one.
It's a small gap too.
But I think it's time for me to start something.
Ooh, first try.
Really thinking of it. Got to be there in the well. However feels fitting. And they'll remember the time you chose to make a difference. I'm on the road. Yeah. Ain't no stopping in, so we don't go. Yeah. No slowing down, right now. Cause we ain't got time at all. Ain't no stopping in, so we don't go. Yeah. No slowing down, right now. Cause we ain't got time at all. No. Ain't no stopping in, so we don't go. Yeah. No slowing down, right now. Cause the way that things that we do, follow everyone in the counter. Speaking up, jack it up to the top.
Soon is not happy with me. Okay, well, we tried a little bit. I got some time to kill in this room tomorrow too, so I guess I'll try it tomorrow.
Let's take a photo, can't let nobody take my mojo, can't take my mojo.
The Yasmin is terrible. Scotch helmet hair. Got goggle hair.